So one of the good things with the Apple CarPlay is you can navigate on the move using voice activation. Navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton le Dale, Preston.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
There you go, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton le Dale, Preston.
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage. In 1.9 miles, take exit 3 towards Blackburn West.
And again, if you find coffee, Starbucks 5 minutes, adds 5.
In
Go.
1.6 miles, take exit 3 towards Blackburn West.
Also, but you can just ask it to play anything. Play Sam Straywood.
Here's some music by Anthony Ramino and Sam Straywood.
We're the people that love to express.
So, no real need, apart from clicking go on the navigation, you've no real need to take your hands off the steering wheel. It's a really, really good system. I'm not a big fan of voice activation.
Use the left lane to take exit 3 towards Blackburn West.
Or voice control, but on this instance it's good. I'd rather use voice control than a touch screen. Give me buttons and normal knobs with a click any day than touchscreen. You certainly can't use a touchscreen when you're driving. I mean, that's just out of order.
Take the exit.
Your eyes have to come off the road far too long to do anything. Good. The other good thing is cancel navigation.
All right, done, Barry.
I don't know about you, but when I'm navigating from anywhere, from coming home, you get to certainly within 50 miles from your house and you usually know the way from there. But the navigation system keeps going on and on and on, and normally when something on the news just comes on that you want to listen to. So the navigation system should just have a big X on them, but normally they don't, and you have to scroll through the menu, and it's not always easy to find stop directions or even mute or whatever. So just for that, I find the voice activation extremely good. So if we take that out and we'll go back to the ordinary system there, that tells you what's going on. We'll try the navigation system on the move here.
Please say a command.
Navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton le Dale, Preston.
Please say a line number or say none of those.
So that hasn't picked it up. The ordinary system and the Sync 3 hasn't picked it up. So cancel.
Cancelling. Please say a command.
Navigate to Chorley Road, Walton le Dale, Preston.
I couldn't find it in this search area. Please say the name of another POI or say change search area.
Chorley Road, Preston.
Please say a line number.
Cancel.
Cancelling.